Hey everyone, I am Harsh Jain and welcome back to Blogging Unlocked. This is the very first video of the first module of this course. Lots of people gets confused thinking about whether to start a blog or a website, which is the best option for them to help meet their goals. In this video, I am going to be teaching you about what is a blog and how is it different from a website. I will also explain some real world examples, different usage scenarios and their benefits. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's start with what is a blog. But before that, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you don't already have, for not missing all the upcoming videos of this course. So a blog is generally a website which people use to present content, and all the blog content is generally known as blog post. You all know about that, right? Earlier, there were lots of individuals and small groups of people who were just using blogs for their information sharing and they used to present their thoughts. But nowadays, there are tons of corporate blogs also along with them, which are producing a lot of informational content. Now, there is a question which arises. What is the difference between a blog and a website? So let me answer this question for you really quick. Blogs are also website, but the only difference between a blog and other type of websites are blogs are updated regularly with new content, but on the other hand, websites are static in nature, where all the content is organized in pages which are not updated frequently. There can be a case where blogs can be a part of a bigger website. So you must have seen a lots of business websites who are integrating their website with the blog section to educate and inform their customers. A really simple way to create a website and a blog is by using WordPress, which is what we'll be covering in the upcoming videos. So speaking this in very simple terms, all blogs can be website or a part of website, but all websites cannot be blogs. For example, look at my website, Harsh Jain Digital. It is a blog and a website, but my website has other content also, like contact us page, about us page, the service pages, which is published in a non-blog format. Now you might have a question like, which one is better, a blog or a website? So you might be wondering about this, whether you should start a blog or a website, which one is better option for you? So a really quick and honest answer really depends on what your goals are. You must have seen lots of websites of small businesses which is just made up of pages with no blog, and this is because they are using their websites as a source for the online presence of their business. But nowadays things are changing. Lots of businesses has realized the potential of a blog in their marketing strategy, and now they are adding a separate section of blogs in the website and they are using it to get more traffic from the search engines. Now there is another question which you might be having, like, why do people blog? What are the benefits of blogging? So let me highlight some of the best benefits of blogging to you. So number one, it helps individuals to become an authority in their industry. So if you are someone who is actually good in something, then you should probably start blogging about it, just to showcase people what you are capable of, and ultimately it will help you to present yourself as a personal brand in your industry. Number two, it will allow you to showcase your skills and creativity or talent to the people interested in whatever you are doing. Number three, there are lots of bloggers who make money from their blogs using various monetization methods. So if you are someone who is looking forward to make a passive income or a decent amount of money by blogging about whatever you are passionate about, then this is definitely for you. Number four, if you are a business owner who is looking forward to get more people to know about the business and ultimately getting lots of inquiries about your products, then you can do blogging for your business too. Number five, if you are running a non-profitable organization, then you can use blogging to spread awareness among the people about your organization. So these are the basics of blogging, and if you are finding them difficult to understand, then don't worry, this is not a rocket science, right? And these are super simple. You will get to know about them clearly in the upcoming videos where we will actually dig into creating a blog. So please subscribe to this channel and drop a like on this video if you feel like you actually have learned something. I am putting in lots of effort for you guys and I will really appreciate your support. Again, to download all the worksheets and templates, just go to harshjaindigital.com/coaching, register and enroll yourself in this free course and download everything from the LMS itself. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section explaining your goals. I will be there to respond. Don't worry, I am here for you guys and I will be helping you as much as I can. You can also ping me up on my Instagram at @harshjaindigital, or you can drop us an email at harshjaindigital@gmail.com. We will try and answer as much emails as we can. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.